welcome to Easy Cooking Cuisine. I am Shikha Shah. So with the announcement of unlocking phase 1, we all are going to go out and back to our routines. And we also need to take care of our health and immunity. So for that here I have come with a unique recipe that is known as Moong Dal Chilla. With this, in this I am going to give you very nice flavors and taste. We'll be adding in so that we all love to eat this. So for preparing moong dal chilla, here I have taken 1 cup of split moong dal and will add some water to this. Almost double the water the amount of moong dal, and will soak this for almost 30 minutes. For preparing our dry masala, here I am taking 7 to 8 peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, some kasuri methi, and very small piece methi dana. Now what I am going to do is I am going to dry roast this together for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Just on a very medium flame, dry roast this until it gives us nice smell. Well, this is being done for almost 1 minute. Now I am going to add almost 1 pinch of ajwain to this to give it a nice flavor. So now in this I will be adding some salt to taste, amchur powder, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Now you can see how beautiful we have crushed this. I'm going to take this out in a plate. So now I'll be preparing marination. For that I'll be taking thick curd, 3 spoons of curd I'm going to take. In this I'll be adding the prepared masala 1 teaspoon and small amount of half a teaspoon of mustard oil. That's it. Done.
I will give this a nice stir.
And in this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. And also, as I like it more spicy, I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of the prepared masala, and now stir this very nicely. Now to give this a nice tandoor flavor, I have already keep the coal on the gas flame and it's ready. So I'll be keeping this in a bowl, adding some ghee on the top of it. Add this in the mixture, the dahi mixture, and will cover it for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and it will give a very nice tandoori smoke flavor. And now for preparing the stuffing, here I am finely chopping the vegetables: 1 onion, some half a slice of cauliflower, 1 floret of cauliflower, 1/4 cabbage finely chopped. Now finely chopping half a capsicum, and then we'll be taking half a carrot finely chopped. That's it. Now we'll be adding all these veggies in this bowl, and along with this I'll be adding in this the marination which we have prepared. Leave some marination and toss these veggies in this marination. See how beautiful the marination has been tossed in these veggies. We'll be adding grating some paneer to this, as it's very healthy to eat paneer and it will give very nice flavor. So now after adding paneer, I'm going to mix this again, and we'll be adding 1 more spoon of the marination which we have prepared. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add dry green chilies, and want more salty, then you can add salt at this stage. And now what I am going to do is take this mixture, add this on a pan and let it saute on a very high flame to get a nice sizzling flavor. Make sure that you don't lose the texture and the color of this. Just to beat its rawness, we are cooking it in a bowl. That's it. This is the first step. Now we will crush our dal. Now our dal has crushed. I am going to empty it directly in this marination bowl. Now you can see how the consistency of this is. Almost 1 tablespoon of marination was left, and which is needed for a nice flavor. So I have added this directly into this mixture. 1 to 2 teaspoons of masala I have added. 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste as per your taste. As you can see, the batter is very thick. Here I am going to add small amount of water. Water must be added as required. And stir it very nicely. It should not be too thick, not too liquid. It must be of pouring consistency and not flowy. At this stage in this mixture, you can add 1 teaspoon of crushed green chilies and some salt to taste. If you like it to be more spicy, you can add more amount of green chilies. Very thin. Apply some ghee on this because it's very healthy to add ghee instead of oil. And now I have turned it on the other side also, so that it gets cooked from both the sides. Let it cook. So now it's time to add some filling in this and top it with good amount of cheese. Now and now I am going to sprinkle the prepared dry masala onto this. Now, who is not going to love the super delicious moong dal chilla? Try it. Trust me, it's very tasty. Hit the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to my channel.